Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there's a frantic search for two persons believed to have been washed away by floodwaters in Luidersville, St. Catherine on Tuesday.
The incident has again renewed calls from the authorities for persons not to cross flooded roadways.
Krista Campbell has the latest on Rafael's ruins across the parish.
Threatening clouds and pouring rain as tropical storm Rafael unleashed its fury across the island. But in St. Catherine, communities still rebuilding from damage sustained during the passage of Hurricane Beryl, residents were not prepared for the ruins left in Rafael's wake. In Luidersville, police, Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guards, firefighters and residents have joined forces to search for a man and woman believed to have been washed away in a pickup truck sometime after 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon.
Since the time that they tried to cross that flooded roadway, neither the vehicle nor the occupants have been seen. The vehicle was visible up to nightfall.
Head of the St. Catherine North Police, Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, says they were both reported missing Wednesday morning.
There are some persons from the community who went into the water and tried to see what they could do, but due to the status of the water, they were not able to see much. They saw a pair of Crocs, believed to be worn by one of the occupants of the vehicle, and they also saw a spare tire.
Residents point to sinkholes close to where the vehicle disappeared, but the authorities say they'll have to wait until the floodwaters recede further before they can continue their search. Over in Bushy Park, deja vu. The original bridge washed away during the passage of Hurricane Beryl, and residents fought to save the makeshift structure they pooled money and effort to build. This was all they managed to save. By daybreak, some stood in disbelief, assessing another bout of losses.
If some effort was put into clearing the debris from the riverbed, I think that the bridge would have held up during the storm, because what happened with this bridge is what happened to the original bridge. The debris came down with the force of the water, and the weight of the debris eventually collapsed the bridge.
The pipe break from the bridge, the pipe wash away from the bridge. Up by the bridge, so nobody know that the citizens out there, we don't have any domestic water.
But with stones, debris and mud in the streets, silt and flood waters in yards and homes, the cleanup work has begun.
We get 4 inches of water. In the house and outside, we get like 9 inches. See, I have to block this. If I never block this, the house would have flooded out. And the 2 back door, that's where it came from, through the house.
Farmers who took another battering 4 months after Beryl are worried about a hike in food prices come Christmas.
Callaloo, okra, sorrel, everything is underwater right now.
About a half acre, and all the water flood out in the callaloo, okra, plus in the bedroom. I have to go try to get the water out of it. I don't know how it will not left out of it. Because just the same as the Beryl pass, it's the same thing. I'm not going to get over everything dead out.
Once the water settle on it and the sun come up, everything is going to die. So we need the people from the agriculture to come in and come assist us, whether with fertilizer, seed, whatever they can do for us.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.